Hey guys, it's me. I do have a little bit of a life update for you. I got a puppy, a new one. I already had one girl, Australian Shepherd, and her name's Mia. She's been in some of my other videos and in my like really early YouTube video intros. But I got a new one. His name's Atlas. So Atlas is a boy. He's a blue Merrill. And he's very sleepy right now. He's kind of tired, so I'll just hold him for a little bit. So this will be a kind of get ready with me and my new puppy version. He's very curious about makeup brushes. He's tried to chew them already. He's a very curious pup, very brave. Unlike his sister, she's not so brave. He's so little. I just want to like make sure I take as many videos and pictures as possible while he's this young, because he'll never be this small. Even tomorrow he'll be a little bit bigger. They grow up so fast and they're so cute when they're puppies. Or are you upset because you're on my lap? He's gonna jump down. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? Yeah, he just jumped down. I did kind of wake him up from a nap, so I was kind of expecting that. I'm adding an extra coat of this to try to make it a little bit more full coverage. I swear this is the easiest way to clean your makeup brushes. I think this is called dry cleaning, but I don't know for sure. I do have a zit. I almost never get zits.
Cover that up, right in the center of the face a little, comb up the lips, and cover my dark circles.
Okay, foundation is done. I've really been loving the Dare to Create Morphe palette. I've been really loving this. The inside of this palette looks like this. There's a lot of colors. The only thing I don't like is this gold appears to be very brightening, and it's actually like very, very dark on the lid. So we are just gonna not use any colors today. Stick with like browns and taupes. Really have been loving Morphe products lately. And Jaclyn Hill's Dark Magic palette. So these are kind of like the things that I'm going to be using. First, obviously start off with a transition color first. So I'm just going to be taking this light. Just got my hand in that. So the first thing that I do when I grab a transition color, a lot of Morphe products are high fallout, so I start tapping onto the eye and then I'll blend the color in. So tap, 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 blend. Next, we are gonna go in with this color. I've been using this the most out of every color from this Dark Magic palette. Concentrate on the outer corner and dab, dab, dab. Next, I really want to go in with this color right here because it's like kind of a burnt orangey color, but it's got brown undertones. So we're gonna go in with this color next. It's really, really pretty. I would call that a sable type of color. So this, you're not even gonna be putting in the crease. This is all outer corner color only. So literally just tapping right here on your lower lash line and like right here. I think what a lot of people have problems with is making their eyes symmetrical, so your makeup turns out looking a little wonky. Just takes a stable hand. Look at this makeup wipe. It's really, really important to clean your brushes before you start any makeup look, otherwise you're gonna have really weird shades from mixing colors that you might not be intending to mix. I really like the color Poof, kind of just like brightens up the eyes. So on this small shader brush, I'm going to be taking Poof on both sides, swirling it around, and like packing on the pigment, like honestly as much as possible, so I don't have to dip back in. Clean blending brush because I cleaned it off. Just going to go over everything, smooth it out. Cool. Ever since I was in high school, I've always used eyeshadow on my eyebrows. You know, I have to make sure I'm not like wiping my face with my hands or like touching them, but it does stay all day. Anybody in my family knows that we have really crazy eyebrows. We get it from our grandpa. Can we just take a moment to appreciate like the difference between this eye and this eye? I have really long lashes naturally, but they're not dark. So when I put black mascara on them, it's a game changer. I have so many things that I need to do today. Can I help you? Alright guys, that is it for this makeup look. There are trash people outside picking up my trash, so that's great. They're probably going to see this, but that's fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think my new dog is cute, like this video, or comment down below. You know, you can just tell me that my dog is cute. I appreciate that too. This is like an everyday, neutral, foregreen eye, smoky eye look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.